understanding the phrase, a time to reflect. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, a time to reflect. This phrase holds deep meaning and is widely used in English-speaking cultures. We'll explore its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you understand and use it confidently in your daily conversations. Let's get started. A time to reflect is an idiomatic expression in English. It refers to a period when one pauses to think deeply about something. This could be past events, decisions made, or future plans. Reflection involves considering different aspects of a situation or experience, often leading to greater understanding or insight. It's like taking a mental step back to review and contemplate. This phrase is often used in contexts where deep thinking or consideration is needed. It could be used after an important event, e.g., after the conference. It's a time to reflect on what we've learned. During moments of personal challenges, e.g., during difficult times, it's a time to reflect on what truly matters. In educational settings, e.g., at the end of the semester, it's a time to reflect on your academic progress. It's a versatile phrase, suitable for formal and informal situations. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. After the busy holiday season, it's a time to reflect on family and the joy they bring. 2. The company uses the annual retreat as a time to reflect on its achievements and plan for the future. 3. Sometimes, taking a quiet walk in the park is a great time to reflect on personal goals. A time to reflect is a meaningful and thought-provoking phrase in English. It encourages introspection and contemplation, which are important for personal growth and decision-making. We hope this video has given you a clear understanding of how to use and interpret this phrase. Remember, reflection is a powerful tool in both language learning and life. Happy reflecting, and see you in our next video.